Hello, good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Mohammad Shakil Ahmed. I'm senior lecturer from University of Malaya, UMPEDAC, and I'm presenting here the hydrogen-based incinerators for waste management. As you know, there is a lot of waste in Malaysia we are producing, and the problem with waste management is the high moisture content. So we have the technology to cope up with all the problems with municipal solid waste as well as hazardous and hospital waste. We can incinerate using hydrogen as a combustion flame, and we take the pride to pioneer the hydrogen combustion research in all over Malaysia. And this our product has been beneficial for hospital waste incineration, municipal solid waste incineration, and all the hazardous industrial waste also. And on top of it, we can also go for waste to energy production, just like electricity or water purification. And this research will impact the world in a way that this is green. We are using green and sustainable technology for waste incineration. We are using green hydrogen coming from solar, wind, or any renewable sources. That's why we can claim that it is sustainable, it is green, and all the CO2 which is coming from the waste burning, we will capture it, we will utilize it in the CCU process, and we will convert to calcium carbonate, which is the raw material for the cement industry. And the last message I would like to say is, let's re-green the world again, and let's clean the world. Thank you very much.